friends.
Two new friends.
Cheers.
To LCA.
LCA.
Yeah.
Just follow every move. Touch me. Let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is
Workout
still
early
young.
morning.
All we need is now. Don't ever.
What's up, guys? We're finally here at the Valley of Fire. I got my homeboy over here, Gene. What's good? What's good? Coming straight from New York. So we're super excited. We got a few other people that's coming in from Lost Creator Academy. My man's taking some amazing dope photos, so super excited to see that. If you guys are ever planning on going to Valley of Fire, no drones allowed, unfortunately. So I don't know, man. Let's see if we can get some drone footage outside of Valley of Fire. Hopefully you guys like that. So quick update. I think we lost the homies, Mayo and I think Eleonora, but I don't know exactly.
It's mayo and ketchup.
It's Mayo and ketchup, guys. No, we were missing Mayo and Eleonora, and I think they went on a different entrance. I know they're going from like Utah, and I don't know where Mayo's from, but hopefully we catch them. We've been waiting in this entrance for about a good 10 minutes or so. We got Eleonora?
Yeah. You can call me Lele.
Lele, alright. Lele, so we're just going with Lele. Alright, and then Lele's boyfriend, I'm presuming?
That's good. Yeah, that's her. I'm just kidding.
What's up, Lele's boyfriend? What's good?
What's good, Ben? This is Pepper. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
What's up, bros?
I'm so sorry, you were the first person to arrive.
I was the first person to arrive.
My man.
And I'm late.
Wait, did you go from this side or the other side?
I went through this side, but the thing is that like once I got in here, no reception. So I was like, so I went a little bit more deeper. Maybe I was like, maybe I'll get some Wi-Fi or something. No.
So you were all the way to the
I went
east
all the way
side.
back, yeah.
Oh man.
It was crazy. But
Yeah, we came through the north side and you were like, I'm right at the entrance. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure you're not. And then I
Everybody
have,
over here is getting some Sonys.
oh yeah.
210.
You think it says no?
Alright, Mayo, I gotta ask you this question because you never said where you live. So I was talking to Gene about this the whole day yesterday. Like, does my man Mayo live in Vegas?
Yeah, I was like, let's go see it.
Yeah, I'm the one with the
Unofficially,
worst
officially, I
camera,
guess.
But it's okay.
It's
shit.
weird. I'm just all over the place.
So
Right
where
now,
you live?
currently right now I'm in Vegas. I've been in Vegas for like a month, but I think I'm gonna go to Seattle in a bit.
No, man. I was telling Gene, like, I need a
love
photographer friend. Like, I need somebody to take photos with me, guys. And Mayo over here, part of Lost Creators, he should be with me. Like, he should have stayed here
I
instead of
should've stayed
Seattle.
for a little bit, but I
Come
mean
on.
Vegas is cool. It's cool. Don't get me wrong, but it's too hot for me, man. Like
I mean,
I'm always
this is
burning
cold
in here.
right now, man. I'm super cold. This is why I have a jacket, guys.
it's like all like snow.
We're different Idaho.
Alright, so Mayo's gonna be my man to take some videos with me and some photos.
Today for sure.
Oh, no, he's gonna be here for another few months. What's up, guys? Are we doing a little video over here?
Oh, this light is killing me.
Oh, the little harshness? Welcome to
Yeah,
Vegas,
like-
bros.
White domes are sick. There's some sick places here that are not signed. Like there's the thing called like the Seven Sisters, super big rocks, and I was just like, I'm not taking a picture because I'm waiting for them. But yeah.
Dang.
And here there's no one, and there's like plenty of things. So.
Yeah. I think we should, yeah, because
Remember that I told you that every single time that I want to hike, I'm not ready?
Yeah.
I got jeans right now.
fuck.
Hey, man. You got them nice shoes, too.
Exactly. That's my point. That's my point.
You. Alright, guys. You know, right now we're in the hot season of Egypt. Just like Lost Creators, like Lost LeBlanc. Christian, if you see this, we're right here with you. We can feel the heat. I know. Workout, early morning. this is the view that we're getting right here. Where are we at exactly, Lena?
We're at the Rainbow Trail.
Rainbow Trail, boys. Beautiful, guys. My hair's messed up. I love it. That here, this is beautiful. This is capturing the moment, guys. As you guys can see, I'm afraid of heights, so I'm like,
If you don't get 1,000 likes with that picture, just quit Instagram.
man, y'all making me choose the dark side of Sony.
Mine is better. Did I prove it to you yet?
Well, hold on, wait. Wait till
Sony's like PlayStation. What is this equivalent?
Wait,
is this like Xbox?
Wait, well, y'all tell me I'm at home. Dang, I'm a GameCube.
Yo. You better subscribe. Got it? Cause I'm the biggest fan. Better subscribe.
Don't have what you need.